Tensions rise in the MK party as Duduzile Zuma Sampudla and Nhlamulo Ndlela face internal reprimands. After a meteoric rise during South Africa's 2024 general elections, Jacob Zuma's Umkhonto we Sizwe party is facing mounting internal turmoil, with the latest controversy centering on high-profile figures Duduzile and Nhlamulo Ndlela. Once a steadfast member of the ANC and two-term president, Zuma stunned the political landscape when he launched the Umkhonto we Sizwe party. Despite long-standing efforts to retain his ANC membership, his breakaway formation quickly gained momentum, galvanizing support across the country with its leftist, Zulu nationalist ideology and vocal opposition to the ruling ANC. Despite Zuma being barred from contesting a parliamentary seat due to his 15-month prison, the Umkhonto we Sizwe party surged to prominence in its electoral debut. The party secured nearly 4.6 million votes, 14.58% of the national tally, finishing third overall and staking its claim as a significant new force in South African politics. However, the party's rapid ascent has been shadowed by growing instability. This year alone, Umkhonto we Sizwe party has weathered several controversies, including the abrupt and contested demotion of its Secretary General, Floyd Shivambu. Party insiders and political analysts alike have raised concerns of a sign of deepening internal discord, suggesting a possible disconnect between the party's public appeal and its internal cohesion. Now, further cracks are emerging. In a strongly worded letter addressed to the party leader Jacob Zuma, Umkhonto we Sizwe party spokesperson and National Assembly representative Dr. John Hlophe leveled serious accusations against fellow MPs Duduzile Zuma and Nhlamulo Ndlela. The two are allegedly to have displayed disruptive and unruly behavior during a recent closed-door party meeting. Hlophe confirmed that Ndlela has been relieved of his duties within the party's whippery, citing conduct that allegedly undermined both party unity and discipline. He also rebuked Duduzile, Zuma's daughter, for further inflaming tensions during the same meeting, and said, "While I was speaking, Zuma Sampudla interrupted me repeatedly, displaying unruly behavior that required reprimanding. She noisily rose from her seat, grabbed her belongings, and exclaimed, 'Are we not done?' before sitting down when she realized no one followed her." According to Hlophe, such conduct is incompatible with the values of the Umkhonto we Sizwe party claims to uphold. He accused the pair of sowing division within the party and disrupting the collaborative spirit that leadership is trying to cultivate. The incident has sparked renewed speculation about the internal power struggles within the party and whether Zuma's political project can withstand the growing friction among its ranks. Observers say that the party's handling of these internal disputes will be closely watched in the lead-up to 2026 local elections and all-important 2029 national poll, where Umkhonto we Sizwe party aims to expand its influence. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.